In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and create different Firefox profiles for easier browsing. With multiple profiles, you can separate your work activities from personal browsing or even run experiments and tests without affecting your main settings. This can be incredibly helpful when you want to keep things organized and tailored to your needs. First, let's tackle how to access the Firefox Profile Manager. To get started, you'll need to ensure that Firefox is completely closed. If you're working on a Windows system, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. Here, you'll type in Firefox exe, and press Enter. If you're using Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution, this can be done through the terminal. Simply open Terminal and type Firefox P, followed by hitting Enter. And for those using macOS, you'll need to access Terminal as well, but with a slight variation. Run this command: /applications Firefox app contents on macOS Firefox P. These steps will open up the Firefox Profile Manager. Next comes the exciting part: creating a new profile. Once you're inside the Profile Manager, you'll see an option that says Create Profile. Click on that, and a new window will guide you through the process. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this new profile. Think about how you plan to use it. If it's for work, a simple work might suffice. If it's to keep your personal browsing separate, name it Personal, and if you're using it for testing, you might call it Testing. Once you've decided on a name and entered it, simply click Finish. You've now successfully created a new profile. Finally, let's see how you can choose which profile to use when starting Firefox. The next time you launch Firefox, the Profile Manager will appear. Here, you'll see all the profiles you've created. Select the one you want to use and click on Start Firefox. Each profile has its own settings, home pages, bookmarks, and add-ons, so switching profiles will give you an entirely different browsing experience as set up for that specific profile. If you have a profile you prefer to use most of the time, you can choose to streamline the process by ticking the option that says Use the selected profile without asking at startup. This way, Firefox will automatically start with your chosen default, skipping the Profile Manager dialog and saving you a few clicks. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can have multiple Firefox profiles set up in no time, each tailored to different facets of your online life. This feature is particularly beneficial for anyone juggling different digital roles or preferences on the same computer. Happy browsing, and enjoy the organized, seamless experience that comes with using multiple profiles.